Hello and welcome back, my friend. How are you? I'm great. I'm currently in Freiburg in Germany and my road trip is about to begin. I'm currently standing in front of my car, the car in which I will be living and traveling through Europe. After many difficulties finding a suitable car for my adventure, I actually decided to take the car that I have, the Chrysler Voyager of my parents. Now I had a car, but also a street date when I wanted to leave Cologne. And I couldn't just throw a mattress inside the trunk. I would lose too much storage space. So I needed a solution. I needed a custom rig or rack that could keep a mattress or hold a mattress and had enough storage space for me. And the thing is, I had only 3 days or 4 days to build it. That was a huge problem. So there was only one solution. I called my friend Jonas. Yo, Jonas, I need a custom rack, like in about 4 days, like a van lifestyle. Is it possible? Oh yeah, sure, perfect. So I called him, everything worked out. So we had only 4 days to build it. But luckily, I haven't introduced my friend Jonas. So let me introduce him to you. He's a forester and an adventurer, so a crazy adventurer. So he has knowledge and he knows how to build with wood. So the perfect guy to actually help me. So I was confident that this is gonna work. So now, this is the beginning, or this was the beginning of the Chrysler Project. On the second day, we were actually ready to start the project. Our first stop was a construction market where we bought all the stuff we needed, like wood, boxes, nails, screws, and many other small things. Luckily, my friend has a lot of tools and machines in his workspace, so I could save a little bit of money. And then we just went for it and started building. The first things we built was the rough frame at the top of and the bottom of the rough frame. I think I already mentioned that, or have I already mentioned that? The first thing we built was the rough frame, and we wanted to start with the rough frame. Oh good, I'm not angry. Okay. The first thing we built was the rough frame of the top and the bottom piece. After long hours of screwing and cutting and nailing and I don't know, trying around, we finally had the final piece of the top and the bottom. So let me show you. The bottom piece had the exact measurements for fitting 5 boxes, so enough storage space for camping. Now this was a successful day for us. We had the bottom and the top piece. And on the second day and the third day, we could actually start building an actual box. But of course, the third day is a story for its own. And now you need to wait another day. So, till tomorrow, my friend.